In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct color balance in GIMP, which is a fantastic open-source image editor that's perfect for beginners and experts alike. Whether you're working on personal photography or even some design projects, understanding how to properly adjust your image's colors can significantly enhance your work. So let's dive in and get started. First, you need to open your image in GIMP. To do this, launch the GIMP application and then go to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on Open and browse through your computer files to locate the image you wish to edit. Select your photo and click on Open to bring it into the GIMP workspace. Having your image open in GIMP is our starting point, and from here, we can begin to make those important color corrections. Next, let's explore the Color Balance tool, which is where the real magic happens. Navigate to the top menu and click on Colors. You'll find the Color Balance option in this drop-down menu. Selecting this will open up a new set of sliders that allow you to adjust the colors in your image. This tool is crucial because it enables you to tweak the tonal balance between reds, greens, and blues within your picture. As you delve into color balancing, you'll notice 3 pivot points you can customize: shadows, midtones, and highlights. These refer to the darker, middle, and lighter areas of your image, respectively. Adjusting the shadows will change the appearance of the darkest tones. You can move the sliders towards cyan, magenta, or yellow, depending on what your photo needs. Similarly, tweaking the midtones impacts the medium tones in your image. And here, you have a bit more flexibility to play around without overly impacting the shadows or highlights. Lastly, the highlights adjustment will influence the lightest parts. Here, caution is key. Make changes gradually to avoid losing detail in the bright areas. Once satisfied with your color adjustments, it's time to apply your changes. Simply click the OK button at the bottom of the color balance window. It's always advisable to take a moment to compare your edited image with the original to ensure that you're happy with the shifts in color. A subtle but effective change can make a world of difference. Finally, it's important to save or export your newly edited photo. Go back to the File menu and choose Export As. This opens up a dialog where you can rename your file, choose where to save it, and select your desired file format. Click Export once you're all set. And don't forget to verify your export settings to ensure quality is maintained. And there you have it. You've successfully corrected the color balance in GIMP. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images and settings. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.